IELTS speaking. Tips. Same question, different band scores. What do you like about the home you grew up in? Band 5 answer.
I like my home because it was big and nice. I had my own room and a small garden. I think it was a good place to live.
Why is this a band 5? Simple vocabulary. Big, nice, good place. Short, undeveloped sentences. Limited grammar range and no linking devices. Band 7.5 answer.
What I really liked about my childhood home was the sense of space and comfort it gave me. I had a quiet room where I could read and study, and we also had a small backyard where I often played with friends. It felt safe and welcoming, which made it very special for me.
Why is this a band 7.5? More variety in vocabulary. Sense of space, comfort, welcoming. Well-developed ideas with details. Room for study, backyard for play. Smooth flow with linking phrases. What I really liked, which made it Band 9 answer.
One of the things I cherished most about the home I grew up in was its atmosphere. It wasn't particularly large, but it was filled with warmth, laughter, and a strong sense of belonging. The kitchen, for example, was the heart of our family life, where we gathered not only for meals, but also for conversations and celebrations. Looking back, it was less about the physical space and more about the emotional comfort it provided.
Why is this a band 9? Sophisticated vocabulary. Cherished atmosphere, sense of belonging. Balanced description with physical and emotional aspects. Cohesive, fluent, and reflective with depth of thought. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks.
Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.